Welcome to our odd numbers fun. Today we're going to discover the magic of odd numbers. Let's jump right in. Odd numbers are unique. They can't be split evenly into pairs. Let's meet some of them. Here's our first odd number, 1. It stands alone and shines bright. Let's have an odd number parade. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Let's all march in line. Odd numbers are everywhere. Look at these 5 balloons floating in the air. Odd numbers go on forever. 11, 13, 15 and beyond. Let's count some more. Odd numbers make fun patterns. Count the spots on this ladybug. 1, 3, 5, 7. Can you count these odd numbers with me? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Fantastic. Amazing job, everyone. We've learned all about odd numbers. Keep counting. Let's sing a cheerful song on odd numbers. Keep dancing.
Odd numbers, come and see. Count, fun for you and me. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers groove in line. 1 stands tall on its own. Next comes 3, not alone. 5 and 7 join the crowd. Odd numbers make us proud. Odd numbers, come and see. Count, fun for you and me. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers groove in line. 9 is great, on its way. 11 comes to play. 13, 15, count along. Odd numbers sing this song. Odd numbers, come and see. Count, fun for you and me. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers groove in line. 17, 19, feeling bright. Count them all day and night. Odd numbers everywhere. Count them with a joyful flair. Odd numbers, come and see. Counting fun for you and me. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers groove in line. Look at stars up in the sky.